सेल साइकिल द सीक्वेंस ऑफ इवेंट जिसमें सेल के जीनोम का डुप्लीकेशन होता है एंड डिफरेंट ऑर्गेनेल्स एंड बायोमोलिक्यूल्स दे आर सिंथेसाइज्ड एंड इवेंचुअली cell divides into two daughter cells, that is called as a cell cycle. So the cell cycle, it is divided into two basic phases. First is interphase, second is M phase, which is also called as a mitosis phase. Here see the diagram of cell cycle showing the two basic phases, that is interphase and M phase. In that we are going to discuss interphase. It is also called as resting phase, but cell is metabolically active and prepares itself for cell division, and therefore it is also called as a प्रिपरेटरी फेज. और ये जो इंटरफेज है इसे डिवाइड किया है फर्दर थ्री फेजेस में. फर्स्ट इज G1 फेज, सेकेंड इज S फेज एंड थर्ड इज द G2 फेज. नाउ व्हाट इवेंट्स टेक्स प्लेस इन ऑल दीज थ्री फेजेस? G1 phase, it is also called as gap1 phase. It is also called as post mitotic or pre-DNA synthetic phase. So remember these from NEET examination point of view. So what changes takes place in G1 phase? During G1 phase, most of the organelles they get duplicated. Then there is a synthesis of various biomolecules such as proteins, amino acids, RNA, then ATP molecule. Then second is the S phase. S phase में क्या होता है? Mainly there is synthesis of DNA and the amount of DNA get doubled. बट द क्रोमोजोम नंबर जो है सेल न्यूक्लियस में वो सेम रहता है. सो रिमेंबर दिस ऑल्सो. देन ड्यूरिंग दिस एस फेज देयर इज सिंथेसिस ऑफ हिस्टोन प्रोटीन एंड ऑल्सो इन एनिमल सेल सेंट्रियोल इज डुप्लीकेटेड. इन प्लांट सेल देयर इज नो सेंट्रियोल एंड देयरफॉर डिवीजन इन प्लांट सेल इज कॉल्ड एज अनएस्ट्रल, वेयर एज इन एनिमल सेल इट इज कॉल्ड एज ए एस्ट्रल सेल डिवीजन. Then comes the G2 phase. In G2 phase there is synthesis of organelles such as chloroplast and mitochondria. Also there is synthesis of protein tubulin for formation of spindle apparatus during M phase of cell cycle. Remember from NET examination point of view, G2 phase is also called as gap2 phase. It is also called as post synthetic phase, also called as pre-mitotic phase. So after completion of interphase and M phase, cell divides into two daughter cells, and some cells what happens, they again enter into cell cycle, but few cells they do not enter into cell cycle, exist the G1 phase of the cell cycle and become inactive. That is called as a inactive stage of the cell cycle, or which is also known as a quiescent stage of the cell cycle or G0 stage of the cell cycle. But cell of the G0 stage, they are metabolically active, and when signal is given to the cell, they again divide and enter into cell cycle.